Stop waiting for the perfect job. Start your software dev career without experience. Here's how. First, build a solid portfolio. Use platforms like GitHub to showcase your projects. It's like your digital resume. No projects? No problem. Start small. Create simple apps or websites. Next, learn a programming language. Python, JavaScript, or Ruby are great for beginners. Take online courses or follow tutorials. Consistency is key. Practice coding every day. Networking is crucial. Join online communities on Reddit, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Connect with other developers. Attend webinars and virtual meetups. You never know who might help you land your first job. Don't forget soft skills. Communication, problem solving, and teamwork are just as important. Highlight these in your resume and interviews. Lastly, stay positive and persistent. The tech industry values passion and a willingness to learn. Keep applying, keep learning. Your dream job is closer than you think. Remember, no experience, no problem. You've got this.